Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends. A blonde, a brunette, and a redhead all applied for the same job as road stripers. The boss explained that they'd each work for 3 days, and whoever painted the most stripes would get the job. On the first day, the redhead painted 3 miles of road, the brunette managed 2.5 miles, and the blonde blew everyone away with 10 miles. The boss was thrilled and told her, "Keep this up and the job is yours." On the second day, the redhead stepped it up to 5 miles. The brunette managed 5.6 miles, but the blonde only painted 4 miles. The boss reassured her, "Don't worry, you've still got a solid lead." By the third day, the redhead hit 6 miles. The brunette did 5, but the blonde only managed a single mile. Concerned, the boss pulled her aside and asked, "What happened? You started so strong." The blonde sighed and said, "Well, the bucket of paint keeps getting farther and farther away." At a bustling factory, the employees had a habit of secretly referring to their manager as Dick. The manager, aware of the nickname, felt irritated, but decided to play it smart rather than confront them directly. The annual company meeting arrived, and the room was packed with chatter and anticipation. The manager, standing confidently before his employees, began his speech with a smirk. "I know many of you have nicknames for me," he started, pausing to let the room settle. "But let me remind you of one thing." The employees leaned in, curious and somewhat nervous. With a sly grin, he declared, "Testicles can grow as big as they want, but they'll always stay beneath the dick."